I hate coding. No, seriously, it's the absolute worst. I have never hated anything more in my life. The way I get stuck on everything. Ah!
That sounds horrible.
But here's the kicker, I still learned it. Why? Because, like it or not, coding is valuable. As AI and tech evolve, coding is becoming an essential skill in so many fields. That's why I pushed through the pain. And that's why I created this channel to make coding less boring, less frustrating, and actually doable for people like us. Hence the name Zero to Debug. Now, can coding be addicting? I know, coming from me, that sounds ridiculous. But I have actually found a way to make coding weirdly enjoyable. And dare I say, addictive. Secret is tiny, childish, easy goals. When starting a project, don't aim for the stars. Start ridiculously small, literally. Just name your project. That's a win. Then make it print something. Like, I hate coding. Run it. Boom! Success! Now do a happy dance. Just take the pleasure in completing your tiny goals. Now, all the experienced coders who are going to cry about it, please sit down. This video isn't for you. Us noobs need small wins to keep going. See, every time I keep my goal shortest, easiest, and I achieve it, it gives me a dopamine hit, and I am inspired to do more. Whereas when I am given 1,000 tasks at one time, I don't feel like even doing one of them. It's overstimulation for my little brain. My brain shuts down, motivation is gone, and I just keep procrastinating it. That's why I celebrate everything. Edit a heading? Yes. Wrote a paragraph? Wow. Styled a button? Treat time. This tiny goal mindset has kept me coding. And trust me, if it works for me, it will work for you too. One small win at a time, and eventually you will learn everything you need to navigate the wild world of coding. And if you ever get stuck, I'm here for you. I'm bringing you lots of helpful content for your coding journey. I am even working on full course videos, which take forever to make. But for you, my fellow code haters, I will swallow this absolutely sour pill and do it. So, if you are trying to survive this coding madness, hit subscribe and let's suffer. Uh, I mean, learn together.